Did you know that 700-year-old African manuscripts hold the key to solving modern sound problems that even computers can't figure out? Meet our sophisticated interior designer as she embarks on an extraordinary journey to Timbuktu's ancient libraries, dressed in her signature elegant African attire and bold eyewear. She's researching medieval mathematical texts to design a Silicon Valley meditation center that serves both tech executives and traditional African healers. Watch as she carefully examines fragile manuscripts under strict security, working with Islamic scholars to decode Arabic mathematical formulas that Malian architects used for perfect mosque acoustics. Her braided hair wrapped in a colorful scarf, she collaborates with local mud brick builders whose families have preserved these ancient construction secrets for generations. The breakthrough moment comes when she realizes these forgotten geometric principles solve acoustical problems that modern engineering couldn't crack. Working with Berkeley professors to verify the mathematics, she successfully translates centuries-old wisdom into contemporary design. Her completed meditation center achieves flawless sound balance using African architectural knowledge that predates European universities, proving that ancient wisdom still leads innovation today.